Unit 5 Housing Take-Home Test. Use this word bank to fill in the vocabulary on the next couple of slides. Your vocab words are mortgage, down payment, interest, inspection, closing costs, utilities, insurance, title, private mortgage insurance or PMI, and closing. Question 1. This occurs when the title of property is transferred from the seller to the buyer and may be paid by either party. Question 2. Money paid up front to lower the amount you need to take out for a loan is called a. Question 3. A blank is the right to obtain full ownership of property. Question 4. A loan you take out from the bank to pay for a house is a. Question 5. A meeting attended by the buyer, the seller, their lawyers, the mortgage lender, and the real estate agent. This is called the blank. Question 6. Blank is money the bank charges for borrowing a loan. Question 7. A blank is a limited, non-invasive examination of the condition of a home, often in connection with the sale of that home. Question 8. Monthly bills that include water, gas, electricity are considered blank. Question 9. If a down payment of less than 20% is put down, blank will be required. And question 10. Blank is protection against a loss that occurs in or to your home. Be sure to look over your notes. We've covered all of these vocab terms at one point. Sorry for Mr. Payne's interruption. All of these vocab words we have gone over them in your notes. Be sure to check your notes. For the math portion of your test, start off by finding the down payment and then the mortgage loan amount, the amount financed. Show your work. For question 2, Max obtained a $70,000 mortgage loan at 8% for 30 years. Part A, what is the total interest? Part B, what is the total amount paid? And Part C, what are the monthly payments? The second part of this question, I want you to write 1 to 2 sentences explaining if you would prefer to have a 15-year or a 30-year mortgage. So choose one of those, a 15-year or a 30-year mortgage, and why would that be better for you? Please explain in full sentences. The Peters have secured a $175,000 loan. They will finance the closing costs shown in the table below as a part of the mortgage. Find their A, total closing costs, and B, the total amount financed with the mortgage. You could show your work on this page for the previous question, calculating your total closing costs here in the first box, and then the total amount financed in the second box. Again, this is referencing slide 8, question about the Peters and their closing costs. Below are sample meters. Please place the reading for the meter in the boxes provided under each. Two more meters. Again, place your answers in the boxes provided underneath each dial. And last question. The Springer's home has a replacement value of $287,000. It is insured for 90% of the replacement cost. Your chart shows personal property has 50% of coverage. Loss of use is 20% of the coverage. Garage and other structures is 10%. So, first off, part A is what is the total amount you're getting from insurance? Part B is what is the amount of coverage for personal property. Part C, what is the amount of coverage for loss of use? And Part D, what is the amount of coverage for the garage or other structures? Be sure to fully complete this and submit it by next week's class if you want full credit. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment on the classroom post or reach out through Remind. Thank you. Have a great day.